Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Alabaster, a small lakeside community along Saginaw Bay in Michigan. This quiet town is known for its waterfront views, boating, and friendly small-town charm. The history of Alabaster dates back to the late 1800s, when settlers arrived to build homes and take advantage of the area's natural resources. Over the years, Alabaster became a favorite spot for fishing, boating, and summer getaways. The bay and surrounding landscapes have long been central to the community's lifestyle and local activities. Today, the town keeps its peaceful charm while welcoming visitors who enjoy outdoor recreation and natural beauty. Whether you're here to fish, relax by the water, or enjoy a quiet retreat, Alabaster offers a charming Michigan experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Alabaster, Michigan. Thanks for watching!